Okay, let's talk about water closet carriers, and I'm gonna drag this water closet carrier over so that I can connect the carrier to these water closets. So I'm gonna have a battery of back-to-back water closets. After I get one in or two in, I'm gonna copy these others in. So what it looks like I need to do is rotate this. Okay, let's rotate the carrier clockwise. And here, let's go here, clockwise 90. Okay, see if we can get a section view in here. Let's put it about right there. Okay, and let's look at our section. Okay, so and plan view, let's go back and so that we can make our alignments. I'm gonna bring just a little piece out. Is that a 4-inch? Okay, that's a 4-inch. So we come out 4-inch. Okay, and let's try and get this other piece coming out. Okay, so now I'm gonna align. So because these two, so it should be aligned. This one and this one, they should be the same. So it should be okay. Now let's go to the section view and align in the vertical. Let's align here and here. So it should, looks like it's okay. Where's my, wait a minute. Okay, and let's bring a little piece out. And here, make sure that the slope is off. Sanitary. Okay, looks good, looks good. Looks like that's a line. I'm gonna put that right there. Looks good. Do I have fixture units? So 0 fixture units, huh? I'm gonna go back, and I think that that's what's going to happen. I'm gonna lose my fixture units as I go through a water closet carrier. That should be 6 units. Okay, but I think that if I connect into the water closet carrier, I am going to lose my fixture units. So I can see what's going on. Okay, let's do that, and let's drag that one over. Okay, so I see that I'm gonna lose my fixture units. Let's bring a piece back and cap it. This is gonna be the clean out for, okay, and so, okay, now, so we got that. Now I know I'm gonna lose my fixture units. That's gonna be 0, right? Okay, and toilets are usually, let's do 30 inches from the center, and 0, 30. Okay, here, and let's do another 30 to go here. So I'm gonna copy multiple. Let's just go here. 1, 2. Oh, I didn't get my carrier, huh? Let's try that again. Copy. Copy. Okay. This one. Okay, and let's line those two up. Can I line from here to there? Nope. Cancel. I'm gonna get it just close enough. And shift. That's close enough. Okay. Shift. Okay, so we are aligned here. Okay. Now that's so what I need to do is bring the walls in, and here. That looks good. Okay. So we are going to put that there, and so, and let's bring this over. So the spacing for, let's see, spacing for horizontal adjustable carriers is what, 11, looks like about 11 inches. Okay, so we can use that. Let's go back. Okay, and let's bring in our other fixtures, and let's get my wall, and let's go over. So let's do a detail line, and 11, let's say, right? So we're about right there. Let's see how close our carrier can get. Okay, so it looks good. We're good. Yeah, so that's a pretty good it's about 11. Let's go back some. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so as we can see, I'm going to delete this. If I use these carriers when we model, and if I'm using plumbing fixtures, are trying to keep account of plumbing fixtures, I cannot use water closet carriers because they are going to cancel out the plumbing fixture count, and I don't want to do that. So what we have is, let's see, let's just look at this. Okay, looking at a 3D view, let's turn off these walls and look at this guy. So we are here. So this is how it's gonna look in the field, right? I mean, they're gonna put water closet carriers on for back-to-back, but if we are using these in our model, then we can't keep track of our fixture units. So I'm going to go back to our floor plan, and knowing that I'm going to lose my fixture units, I don't want to use carriers because the contractors are going to put those in anyway. But for modeling purposes, let's do this. And that looks like that's 11. I must have copied that over. Well, I'm gonna do this. Let's push this out some. Okay. And use the similar here. Okay. Delete. And right click. Create similar and put that on a wall. I'm gonna align this with that. Okay. And so what, because I want to keep up with my fixture units, and a 4-inch round diameter is 1.5 inch. I don't know what that is. What is that? Okay. No slope, right? Sanitary, let's go down, make that, and let's see, we should have 6 fixture units, right? Okay. And let's make this, I'm not going to slope because it's not necessary in these tight spaces in terms of Revit. So I'm going to make this, and because it's a line, we are going to connect directly into our fixture. Now we should have 12 fixture units here. Okay, so using the water closet carriers, we have to, if we're going to use water closet carriers, then you can't keep track of fixture units. So because this is just a model, I would prefer to use just this. And even here, because it's a horizontal fixture, we usually use a combination here, but there's just no room, right? I can bring this down. Let's draw this here, draw this here, and let's go back to our properties. Let's edit that type. So it's gonna say here combination. Let's put that combination there, there, and there, so that when we do connect this 4-inch to our pipe, right? But with that combination Y there, I'm not going to be able to connect directly into this main 4-inch pipe like we can if it's being connected in the field, right? So I can align this up, and we can see that it is not going to work. There's no way unless I come out, right? Come out here, connect here, and use a separate line, right? You have to use a separate line, but that's not how they're going to install it in the field. They're going to do it like the layout is on the right. But for modeling purposes, this is cool. I'm going to change this to a reducing sanitary, right? So that we can get our other plumbing fixture. Let's do this, right? Align this guy up again. Okay. All right. Come back over. Do the same thing. Get our 4-inch. And I can connect that directly up to it. So I should have 24 here. Right? And we continue on and on and on as we, I'm going to make another one just so we can be consistent with the layout that's on the right, I'm gonna just bring this down, and we know that the distance, the minimum distance between this fixture and that fixture should be about 30 inches, right? Okay, so I can make that go up and up. Let's do this. Okay, but it should be 30. You know what? I'm not going to be lazy and do this. Let's say 0.30, right? It's about right there. We can approximate. It's going to go up to about right there. And another detail line, and we go, say 30, right? And it's about right there. So these two can go up. Okay, and the same thing, easy peasy. Oh, that is my vent. And let's go here, 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 and over. Now, see, now here, let's check out our type. It's a Y combination, but I want to change that to a sanitary T reducing, so that here, 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 and we go here, right? Let's rotate so that we can get a double. Go here. I'm gonna go from my fixture over so that I don't confuse Revit in any way. So we are here. Let's check out. See that we are still in line with our fixtures. Fixture unit is 36. Cool. We're good. Okay, and we can, this is going to be 11, right? Let's do, so I'm going to bring that over. We know that that's going to be 11. This side is going to be 11 also. Okay. So now, because the layout on the left is populating our fixture units, I would model on the left. The right looks like it's constructible, right? I mean, that's how they're gonna install it. But because it's just a model, remember AutoCAD is just graphic. It's just a graphical representation of how it's gonna be. And if you think back in AutoCAD, we never did anything like what it looks like. That we were happy with what we had and what AutoCAD gave us. So I don't do a lot of it has to look like this kind of thing. My concern is that guy, that 36. That's the one I'm looking for, and not 0. Okay, so that's the difference. I think I'm gonna leave it at that in terms of the water closet carriers and what the difference is, and maybe how to hook these up. It's your choice. I prefer to use fixture units instead of what looks right, if I can help it. You know, I'm glad that this particular fixture units does transfer the fixture units into the pipe, right? Because if it's 6 here, then it should be 12 here if both of these are 6, right? And it continues and continues. I would prefer to model like that. So I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you guys later.